everyone, I am JD from Utah Trikes. I am a trike mechanic out here in the shop. Today we will be discussing the proper removal and reinstallation of the front and rear tires on Catrike models. The tools we will use today are a park tool or an Allen key set, size 6mm. The quick release is located on the inside of the trike for the front wheels. To begin, we need to loosen the quick release on the inside of the trike. To do this, lift up on the tab and twist the handle to loosen. Then remove the dust cap completely off the front of the wheel. Inside the hub, there is a spring connected to the quick release on the other side. Be sure not to lose that spring as you pull the quick release out from the inside with another spring on the other side. It is best to hold your hand on the side with the dust cap and allow the spring to fall into your hand. Hold the wheel as you push the axle from the inside of the trike towards the outside. The wheel will just lift away from the frame. To replace the front wheel, reverse these steps. Set the wheel rotor into the caliper and replace the axle. When replacing the axle, be sure to line it up with the spindle and push it all the way through. Begin to take the quick release and place one spring on the rod and the other spring in the hub on the opposite side where the dust cap will go. While still holding the quick release in place, twist the dust cap on the other side. Screw in the quick release. Make sure this is as tight as possible. Fold the quick release tab down. Now for the rear wheel. Be sure you are already in the lowest gear. Catrike has a lock button on their derailleur. It is located on the upper right side. You can pull the bottom part of the derailleur forward and push in the tab to lock it in position. While holding the wheel with one hand, take your 6mm Allen key and loosen the axle. Pull the axle out and set aside. The wheel should fall right out. To reinstall your wheel, lift the wheel from the bottom of the trike and make sure to route the chain in the lowest chain ring. Make sure the other side of the wheel lines up with the hole and notch where the axle will be placed through. Replace the axle inside the slots and tighten down with your 6mm Allen key. The torque required for the tightness of the axle is listed on the rim of the axle itself. It lists 10 Newton meters. To finish, release the derailleur lock by pulling forward until it clicks. It will fall back into place. The chain routes in an S shape. It should go over the cassette, under the first jockey wheel, and over the second jockey wheel to the finish. All done. I hope this video helped answer some questions. Please shoot us an email if you need more help. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your feedback, and we'll see you later. Relax, spin fast, and ride trikes.
Are you ready?
Almost. I was gonna say.
What? It's like a spider. Okay.
Too much pressure. You need more help. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
I'm in pain. Tricks are amazing. Let's go.